Everybody, welcome back to another video. I got a quick tip for you today and I think it's a good one. If you guys are at college or university or hope to be going soon, I have a tip today that can save you some money from going to the laundromat and washing your clothes. I found a tip that can help and we'll get right into this. More importantly, I'll be showing you how to wash your socks separately. I know you can wear your shirt, your pants multiple days in a row, but your socks, they're in your shoes, they're in your boots, and they tend to stink, and more people will notice it as the days go on. So I'll show you how to quickly wash your socks so they smell like new. Alright, just before we get started, I'll show you what you guys will need. You'll need any socks that are dirty or will need washed. You'll have to find some laundry soap or some of those Tide pods that have the soap in them. And finally, you'll need a towel to help wring out the socks. Now you can do this in multiple locations. I don't know, some residents, like the one I had a bathtub and a shower and a sink. You can wash your socks in the bathtub or the sink. Today I'll be showing you how to wash them in the sink. So let's get right into it. Alright, so if I want to do a load of socks, I'll start off and I'll always start with hot water in my sink. Now, depending on how much socks you have to wash, they'll determine how much detergent you'll need. I'm only doing 2 pairs just for the demo, so I don't need much, but that's probably too much, but hey, it'll make it smell good. Normally I'll just, whirl the water with the soap until it gets bubbly like this. If you do have those Tide pods, if you throw it in there, they do dissolve. You might need some help, but if you whirl it around, they will, the soap will come out of them. It just needs some, help. So once the sink's pretty full, all you have to do now, get your socks, and you're literally just throwing them in. And I normally just submerge them, and I'll wait a couple seconds and just let the soap really sink in. Alright, I got my socks. They've been sitting in there for a couple of seconds, maybe a minute. So I'm going to now start the agitating process like a washing machine would do. If I'm going to approach this, I normally just literally grab the socks and I start squeezing it so the water sinks it in and it gets through them. You'll see the water will start to turn different colors. That's a good sign. It's getting the dirt out. But I'll squeeze them, wring it out. Do that a couple times. Right, so I just finished wringing the socks. Like I said, you can do it as long as you want, but normally I'll do it a minute or two and then restart. So all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to drain the sink. Get that water out of there. Once that water drains, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use cold water this time because I wash in cold. You can keep it with the hot water, but literally all I'm doing with this step is that soap is still in that sock. So I want to rinse the soap out now. So I'm going to use the new water as a bath just to get that soap, the soap out. And I'm going to do the same stuff like I did last time. I literally just wring it out, squeeze it, let it soak again, same thing. So let those sit, let them run under the tap, and I'll show you the next step. Alright, so the socks have been in there. I've been wringing them out with the fresh water just to get that soap out. So now it's time to dry them. So what you want to do is wring them out as best as you can, which I've already done. And then this is where you use your towel. What you're going to do is you're going to lay them out. It doesn't have to be perfect, but lay them out on your towel. And what you're going to do is you're actually going to roll this up. It's like another wringing process. You're just getting that water out. Normally I'll fold it, and then for the extra effect I normally stand on it, and I'm just getting that extra water out. And then check it whenever you want, but that's pretty much it. Most of the water's out. This one's pretty dry. What I usually do is, say if I'm almost out of socks, I'll do this and then I'll let this dry overnight. I'll literally just keep a towel out and they'll dry by itself. And then when they're dry, they're good to use. And then I'll just go and there we go. If I need to wash them again in a week or so, I'll do the same process. Anyways, that was my video. Little tip on how to save some money with washing your socks, because like I said, you guys normally use these every day. You can wear your shirt and your pants every day if you wanted to, but these tend to get smelly. So that's a quick tip on how to save maybe $2-4, whatever. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.